Hello fellow fish nerds and happy Friday from my outdoor fish room. It's just summer tubbing. There's a quick kind of 180 view of my tub. It's about the extent of them right there. So anyways, today's video I'm really excited to announce some news that I have been working on getting ready, getting to this point to announce for. I've been preparing for it for probably about 10 months or so. And the news is that I'm gonna start selling fish soon, probably in the fall at the end of summer tubbing, once these fish have finished listening to Barry White and Marvin Gaye and Prince and Al Green and all that stuff. And once they're done breeding and hopefully their numbers have increased, which I'm seeing some slight results, some increases in the numbers of guppies after only a month. The white clouds behind me right there, they're like in the hundreds right now. It's just insane how much they're breeding. They're breeding more than guppies. And so anyways, I've been working on obviously this summer tubbing and keeping some inside. I've lost some strains inside. I've lost one strain outside because to frogs, and that was why I put the netting over all the tubs to prevent frogs and dragonflies from getting in there and laying their eggs anyways. So the way that that me selling fish is going to go, at first I'm going to start off with just selling off of a Google sheet, which I have posted a link to it down below. The Google spreadsheet will have the most up-to-date current inventory of what I have available, the numbers, and then the prices. The prices are of the fish. If find what you're interested in, let me know what you want. Email me at MrScienceGeekChannel@gmail.com. Email me what you want as far as an order. I'll send you a PayPal invoice. We'll pay through it that way. That PayPal invoice will include shipping, which for the most part, like guppies, will probably ship out with a priority mail, so that will keep the shipping costs down low. I will only ship out on Mondays and maybe Tuesdays if you're close enough to me, but if you're like across the country, I'm only going to ship out on Mondays, so please be patient. If you order on a Monday, I'm not going to ship out until the following Monday. Also, I'm not going to ship unless the temperatures are above 40 degrees Fahrenheit and below about 85 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't want the fish cooking. I don't want the fish freezing. So that's for the safety and well-being of the fish and my losing sleep at night worrying about fish being shipped. So I've not shipped fish yet. I will probably practice with a friend here pretty soon. Who knows who that friend will be? We'll see. Anyways, that's one thing. One way that you can save 10% off of your fish order is if you share this video or any video after this that has the link to the Google spreadsheet down below, or share my channel on your social media. Facebook would be great. Your local fish club would be great. You have an Instagram, share it on there. That would be great. And just take a screenshot of you sharing my channel or any video from here forward that has the link to the Google spreadsheet down below. Take a screenshot of you sharing that and then message that to me either through Facebook Messenger at my MrScienceGeek Facebook page, which I have a link to that down below, or DM it to me in Instagram at MrScienceGeek, also link to that down below, and you will have 10% off of your next order. Obviously, like I said, I'm not going to start fulfilling orders until the fall. I'm not opening up for any orders just yet. I just wanted to let you know what I have. I do have the stock list of the potential strains and species that I will hopefully have available. I'm not trying to count my chickens before they hatch, or I think that's just saying, but have seen some increase in numbers. Some fish are breeding like crazy, some are breeding slowly, some like there's a strain of platies that I might have to take off because I might be down to 2, and I'm not sure if it's a pair or not, because I think the frogs got them before I put the netting on. It is hot today, it's like 90 something, and I'm in the shade and it's still sweaty and humid. Anyways, also, you might notice that on the spreadsheet I have mystery platies or wild live bearers or beta or cichlids that are mystery strains to be revealed in upcoming videos. Those will be revealed in upcoming videos. The mystery wild live bearers or swordtail strains will be revealed in one video. The wild live bears will be revealed in a second video, and mystery endlers will be revealed in a third video. So each type of fish will be revealed in just one video. It's not going to be like 11 different separate videos. That would be cruel and unusual punishment for making you watch that many videos of mine. But anyways, be sure to tune in each week, turn on notifications, make sure your notifications are still turned on. YouTube is being really messed up right now. They're unnotifying people, they're unnotifying me. I have to go back and check my subscriptions and make sure I still have that bell click. So check that down below. Be sure to tune in each week when I reveal a new fish. I also, as I reveal a fish or get a new video of a fish that I'm selling, I will post a link to that video for that fish in the Google spreadsheet down below, because I'm fancy like that, you know. And some of the videos I have linked to the Google spreadsheet right now are not the best videos, so I will be updating those videos here pretty soon. So I think that's basically all my plans. My prices will be competitive and fair, and I will be going based on the aquabid prices. I've talked to some experienced fellow fish nerds of mine that have sold fish and shipped fish, sold fish online and shipped fish, and they have talked about the prices and said, hey, you know, most would need to put it at this price, but you can probably do this price because, well, I have people can see my fish and they see what I have, they see what stock they're coming from, and I'm not getting just I'm not going to my local fish store and picking out pretty guppy and then finding a female that hopefully hasn't been bred with a male yet and then just selling you that. The guppies are high quality strains that I got, premium high quality guppy strains that I got from a breeder, and they were paired with those genes and they are breeding true, from the red tuxedo koi guppies to the so those are breeding true. I'm trying to increase the numbers of females. That's what I'm hoping to happen. So these aren't just mutt guppies that I'm trying to make better. Nothing against mutt guppies. I think that they're awesome, and I will breed those in sometimes to play around with making new strains, like breeding in a mutt guppy with my fancy longfin guppy to see what happens with that. So mutt guppies are awesome, don't get me wrong. I will probably be selling guppies definitely at least in trios, and then I might be offering packages of males if there's a strain that has like a bajillion males, like the red tuxedo koi guppies have a lots of males. So I will be selling packages of males. Those will be probably less than what a trio would be. Anyways, so that's my plan. My wild live bears are, some of them I actually have the collection site. I have the river for some of them, or the lake or the pond, wherever they came from. For some of them, I did not collect them myself, but I do have the information on where they were collected and that information. So these are, you know, nice quality wild type live bears. The cichlids I'm going to be getting, or that I have some, I will be getting some others. Those are going to be, you know, I'm sorry I don't do African cichlids like the mbunas and Lake Malawi. I don't do those. I don't like those. That requires too big of tanks. All of my fish that I sell, for the most part, will be able to fit in a 10 or 20 gallon, 30 gallon tank at the very largest. 90% of my fish will be able to fit in a 10 gallon tank, like the guppies, the platies, the swordtail is probably better than 20 gallon long. The wild mystery beta strain that'll be revealed later on, those would go better in, you know, larger tanks, not huge. They don't have to be like a 55 gallon, but a little bit bigger than a 10 gallon would be best. So just keep that in mind. Like, my fish are going to be attainable for the average hobbyist that has smaller tanks, or that wants to add them to larger tanks to make their beautiful community tank even better. So just keep that in mind. They are I think, yeah, the platies are from my local fish store. I will tell you that. The guppies are not. The platies are from my local fish store, but they were just that strain, males and females in there, that they've only been with that strain, so they will be breeding true. So you're not going to be getting these mutt platies or mutt swordtails, and I do hope to. Oh, there's a frog right there. Let me go get that frog off my pond there. There we go. He hopped away. That's some bad lighting. But anyways, so those platies and swordtails will hopefully be breeding true, and I also plan to hybridize some of the mollies and swordtails and see what I get from that. And once I see that those desired traits are breeding true, I will start putting those for sale, like the Kawaku Koi swordtails with some really awesome strains of platies I have, and see what I get. And if I get the desired results, I'll post those for sale also once those start breeding true. But also be sure to go follow, like, whatever, my Facebook page, follow me on Instagram. Email me any questions you have, although honestly, Facebook messaging is the fastest way to reach me. Facebook message me through my MrScienceGeek page and ask me any questions, concerns, recommendations you have, advice you have. I'm open to advice. I'm open to constructive criticism, so just let me know. Post any comments, or questions you have in the comments down below. That's fine too. I do check those. I see them. I don't always respond to them as fast as what I should, but I do always see them. They do come up on my phone as a notification. So anyways, exciting news. Also, at the very, of course, I said at the very end of this video, hopefully soon, within the end of the month, definitely by the end of the summer, I will be also announcing some other really exciting news that I've been working on since February, and it finally became a reality last week. So be sure to stay tuned for that really exciting news that has kind of changed my world as far as the fish keeping goes, and what fish I have and what fish I'm getting. So stay tuned for that. So until next time, until next week's video, when I will reveal a new mystery strain of some type of fish, Livebearer, cichlid, beta. I think that's it. Until next time, stay tuned and stay fishy, people.